Greetings, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear friends, and how are you today? We're going to practice a beginner's version today of a yoga breathing exercise known as ujjayi breathing exercise. You may see it called ujjayi or victorious breath or warrior breathing or even ocean breathing. But what we're going to do today, I'm going to strip it right back. I'm going to just literally introduce you to how you can use the essence of this practice to help you calm and soothe your nervous system. And today, particularly in the climate we're in, it's so important to have tools that you can draw out of your back pocket to help keep your nervous system regulated, balanced, self-soothe, self-love, all that kind of stuff. We need it so much this day and age. So, to break it down, really simple, we're going to be breathing, we're going to be focusing on the exhale. I'm going to be focusing on the exhale coming from our throat. In the sense that we're going to be making a sound, a very soft sound. And that movement, if like me you wear glasses, and you know like when you've got to clean your glasses, you take them off and you go, got to clean them now, to clean your glasses. Or maybe you're driving a car and it's a bit foggy, you want to clear the windscreen, you sort of go, and you wipe the windscreen. That's the sensation we're going to be making this practice. So think about, you can even put your hand in front of your mouth and pretend your hand is your glasses or the windscreen, and just make that sound. And as you're making that sound, can you get a sense of what's happening to your throat? What do you notice in your throat? Do it again. Can you feel like a sense of constriction, like a slightly not, can't breathe, but and do you notice anything happening in your navel area, your belly area? Do you sense a slight tightening there? Yeah, you got the hang of it? Oh, excuse me, hot flush. Women over 40, over 50 will recognise that instantly, this hot flush we get every now and then. This will help to cool it down. So for today's practice, I invite you to join me. You can use your hand or you can just make the sound, get your mouth open. And let's do 5 rounds of this lovely ocean sound. And the reason why it's so effective in calming and cooling the body down, she says, sweating, is that we've got the vagus nerve which runs through the body, and it really helps to stimulate the vagus nerve which is connected to your digestive system as well. And that kind of like sends messages to the body that things are safe, it's all okay. We're starting that process of cooling and calming and soothing the nervous system. So, hand in front of your mouth, or just use your throat, hands on your throat. Sit up tall and straight, breathing in. And make that ocean sound on your out breath. And again, breathe in. And again. Let's just do 2 more for fun. One more. Ooh, oh my gosh. How's that for you? Well done. Ooh, so anytime, gosh, I feel very soothed. Yeah. What do you notice? What have you experienced from doing that practice? So, anytime during your day you notice that you're running, you need to pause, you're having trouble sort of slowing down and just being present, being mindful and attentive, step back and just do 5 rounds of this very basic ocean ujjayi breath. And as usual, let me know how you get on, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please, leave a comment below, because I'd love to hear your feedback. Take care, dear friends. Lots of love. Peace and peace.